Hi, my name is Kelvin Johnson. In this video, I'll be showing you how to actually solve a problem if, for example, you turn off your computer or just remove the power to your computer without doing it properly. And when you put it back on, you observe that your computer is going into recovery mode all the time and is not starting properly. So if I put on this computer, for example, let me just put it on and you will see what happens. So now the computer is trying to start. So there is an HP computer. So I maybe kind of pause this computer so not to keep you waiting. So you can see right now the computer is trying to start and automatically it's going to switch to recovery mode because I didn't shut it down very well. So as you can see on the screen, so the computer has been restarted into the recovery mode. So if I click restart my PC, it's going to be always switching to recovery mode. Well, it says here we have two options. We have the set advanced repair options or restart my PC. So when I click the set advanced repair option, but first of all, it says it looks like Windows did not load correctly. So if you would like to restart and try again, choose restart my PC below. Otherwise, choose C advanced repair option. So let's click C repair advanced option. Here we have three different options. So the first options say continue, that is exist and continue to Windows 10. So you may decide to try this option and see if it works, but I'm afraid it's not going to work. So when you click continue, it's just going to kind of go back to the recovery mode. So you have the troubleshoot, which is the second one, and you have the turn off your PC. So let's click troubleshoot to see which other options we have. So here we have two options. The first one says reset this PC. So let's let you choose to keep or remove your personal files and then reinstall Windows. So if you want to reinstall Windows, you can as well use this option. But for now, I just want to click the advanced option to see which other options I have. Here you can see we have different options. So we have the option like the system restore. We have go back to the previous version. We have the system image recovery. We have the startup repair, the command prompt, and the Wi-Fi firmware settings. So under system restore, you can decide to go back to restore point to restore Windows to a previous version. But this only happens actually if you have configured a system restore on your computer. So go back to the previous version. You know, like Windows, we have like the different kind of versions on Windows 10. Like for example, we have version 1607. 1708, 1703, we have the 1803, 1809, and right now I think we have the version 1903. So if you have a previous version on your computer, you can decide to go back to the previous version. We also have the option to choose a system image recovery, recover Windows using a specific system image file, so which you don't have right now, and the startup repair. Sometimes if you do the startup repair, it will not work. So but we also have an option when you go down, you see here see more recovery option. So when I click that option, you have the startup settings. So when I click startup settings, it's going to tell me we start to change Windows options such as enable low resolution video mode, enable debugging mode, safe mode, and other options. So what I just do is click restart, and here your computer is going to restart. So it's not going to restart into your kind of the start mode of your computer. It's going to restart and give you some other different kind of options to actually reconfigure your computer. Okay, see, look at here we have the startup settings. So now it's telling you to enable debugging, just press 1. To enable boot login, just press 2. Not F1, not F2, but just press 1. So what I want to do is I want to disable automatic restart after failure. So I'm going to click number 9. So now the computer is going to restart. So when it's trying to restart now, and when it's restart, you see it's going to go back to its normal windows and not the recovery mode anymore. So what I did is I kind of just disable that computer going back to the recovery mode, or going back to like the option that it couldn't start. Here you see that the computer has been started. So when I just click this right here, you can see that's my name, Kelvin Johnson, and it has been started without any giving me any problem. So I can just log on and just type in my password, and I'll be logged on to my computer again. So if you think this video has been of any help to you, please don't forget to click the like button, and also subscribe to my channels for IT related issues. And if you have any question or comment, please don't forget to send it to me, and I will be happy to reply to your question as quick as possible. Thank you very much for watching my video, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.